Hey y'all, it's your baby woman Lane from another let's try that again. Create and relate ASL version, take two. Hey y'all, it's your baby woman Lane from Peninsula in Virginia, back with another Create and Relate ASL version. Today we will be studying the letter F. 3 fingers, F. You can either put the first 2 fingers together or put them down and hold them, but these last 3 fingers up signify F. Okay? So we have 3 simple words for you today. Because we know that all of them are created angle. And I wrote them down so that I would not forget. So we're going to start with front. Front. Flat palm, facing your face, straight down. Front. It's in front of you. Okay? Front. Okay? Now we're going to go with what we do a lot of. Okay? Frog. Frog. Now, this is something that I wanted to tell you all. I think I've mentioned it in the last video. Sometimes one sign can mean several different things. Like frog, rip, tear, destroy, shred it. Frog. Frog. Okay? Take your 2 hands like you're tearing up a sheet of paper. Frog. There you go. Now, you see, what was that 3rd word? I hope I didn't forget it. No, I don't think I forgot. Forgot, please do not smack the daylights out of yourself. I don't want you to do that. And don't forget, facial expressions are very, very, very important. Forgot. Sometimes if you really didn't forget, you can look nonchalant. Okay, I forgot. Or if it's something that was really urgent. See the difference? Okay, we're going to go over them again. The letter F. Forget or forgot. Frog. Front. One more time. F. Forget. Forgot. Slipped my mind. Went away. Forget. Frog. Frog. I had to frog all this work. Frog. And front. Front post double crochet. Front post triple crochet. Front. Front loop. How'd you do? Just keep practicing. We'll get this, guys. I promise you we will. Again, thank you to all of my subscribers. I more than appreciate you. I am very thankful for you. Please continue to watch, continue to learn. I'll continue to learn and teach what I learned with you. Don't forget, when you see that little bell, don't forget to hit the one with the dimples so that you'll always know when I drop fresh content. Comments. Comments are so important, and I do read and respond to all comments. Okay, and don't forget to share. Let other people know. We want to make this a second language, guys. We really do. Okay? Check out my story times by Lyric Lines, which usually drop on Fridays. I just take a lyric from a song and turn it into a short story. Just for you to take a little break, sit back and relax. Just something for you to chill out to for a minute. Maybe get a couple of rows crocheted or knitted, or get a little bit of that embroidery done. Whatever suits your fancy, whatever floats your boat. I do want to thank you again. If you would like to support my channel, please don't forget that you can always buy me a coffee. There are other means of donating as well, such as PayPal and Cash App. I do accept both, and that information is going to be in the description box. Again, I thank you for watching. I do put out tutorials on Mondays, and who knows, at any time you may see me pop up in a live. There will be other vlogging videos to come soon, but right now I'm focusing on structure. So go back and check out the other ASL videos. Take the quiz. See how you do. If there's anything you missed, then cut up into segments so that you can go back and get the video that you need. Okay? Please don't forget to love yourselves. Self-love is by far the greatest love of all. It gives you all the tools you need to express yourself properly. Okay? But you gotta love you first so that you'll know how to put it out there. Alright guys, remember that I love you, and until we see each other again on these YouTube streets, peace.